2025. Unit 3, Feeling Happy. E. Reading. Number 1, read the text. Dara is my best friend. He studies in class with me. He has a new bicycle. He goes to school with his sister. Every day, he goes to school on time. He is a punctual student and helpful friend. He spends his free time on his study and family. After dinner, he reads books and does homework. He sometimes watches television and does homework. He is a smart student in the class. All classmates love him very much. His parents are really happy with his activity and study record.